Here's how to use Apple Pay. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. If you haven't added a payment card yet, tap the plus button and follow the prompts to add a supported debit or credit card. Your bank may ask you to verify the card before it's ready to use. Once your card is added, you can use Apple Pay anywhere the contactless payment symbol or Apple Pay logo is accepted. To make a payment, double press the side button on your iPhone. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Then hold the top of your iPhone near the payment terminal until you see a check mark confirming the payment. If you have multiple cards in Wallet, tap your default card before paying to choose a different one. The selected card will be used for that transaction. You can also view recent transactions by opening a card in the Wallet app. To remove a card, open it, tap the More button, select Card Details, scroll to the bottom, and tap Remove Card. Apple Pay is free to use and works with most supported debit and credit cards. It also keeps your card details private by using a secure, encrypted payment system instead of sharing your actual card number with the merchant. That's all for this video. Thanks.